A lot of students who are in this process of shortlisting different examinations related to regulatory bodies that they would like to appear for, IFSCA grade A could be one of them. But I would say there is some lack of clarity regarding the job profile with respect to this post. For example, related to roles and responsibilities, regarding in-hand salary, whether there will be regular postings and transfers or not. All such sort of things are going to be discussed as a part of this video. So be with me till the end. But before we discuss these things, here is an important information. We know that previous year papers play very important role no matter what examination you are preparing for, including IFSCA grade A. So what you can do, of course, you can go to the description box, click over the link, and from there you can download these PYQs along with their answer keys. Fine, it will help you to understand the trend and pattern with respect to this examination. Now moving forward, let us discuss about the job profile related to IFSCA grade A. But before directly jumping to IFSCA grade A, let us firstly talk about IFSC, which is International Financial Services Center. Now what is this? Basically, International Financial Services Center is a special economic zone in India. And what does it include? It includes different kinds of financial entities. For example, the banks. For example, different fintech companies. For example, the insurance companies. Fine, etc. etc. Now, what these entities do? Of course, they provide different types of services in foreign currency. That is the main thing, that they deal with the foreign currency and that type of services they provide. For example, let us say if there is an Indian shipping company. This Indian shipping company imports machinery from Europe, and for this it gets paid. Now let us say this Indian shipping company wants to have some loan in US dollar, or maybe it wants to go for insurance for its different kind of ships, maybe marine insurance. Now earlier what they had to do, earlier they had to rely upon the different kinds of centers, or I should say financial centers in other countries, for example in Singapore, for example in Dubai, the most popular ones. But now what has happened, they can rely upon this International Financial Services Center in India, where it is presently India's first and India's only international financial services center is in Gift City. And where it is located, this Gift City is in Gujarat. ठीक है, it is in Gujarat. So this is the place where you will be working as a part of this IFSCA. And what is IFSCA? IFSCA is nothing, it is International Financial Services Center Authority. It is a regulatory body that basically oversees, that basically supervises this IFSC, so that basically everything's work in a proper manner. And you are going to get recruited as an IFSCA grade A officer at the post of असिस्टेंट मैनेजर. नाउ आई होप यू हैव अ गुड क्लैरिटी रिगार्डिंग योर जॉब प्रोफाइल. अब आगे चलते हैं किस किस तरह की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज आपके पास होंगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कीपिंग अ चेक ऑन IFSC entities, that different entities that are there, are they abiding by the rules and regulations or not. Helping draft new rules and guidelines, fine, with respect to different types of policies. Then supervision and inspection is going to be your, I would say, one of the most important responsibilities. Handling investor queries and complaints, liaising with global bodies, so that basically you are able to coordinate with the international financial institution, international global entities, and you can basically go for the cross border cooperation, fine, as a part of this IFSC. Then of course, if there is any kind of innovation, if there is any kind of new financial products, you are going to work with respect to that too. So these are going to be the primary areas with respect to your roles and responsibilities when you will become an IFSCA grade A officer. I hope it is pretty much clear to all of you. Now moving forward, let us talk about the salary. If we talk about the basic pay, fine, with respect to IFSCA grade A officer, it is 44,500 rupees per month. But that is not it. It is just a beginning. Apart from that, you have different kinds of allowances also. For example, housing rent allowance, dearness allowance, special allowance, learning allowance, and etc. And your gross monthly salary goes up to around 1,43,000. ठीक है. अब इसके बाद कुछ पैसे एनपीएस के लिए डिडक्ट होंगे, ठीक है, कुछ डिडक्शंस होंगी. एंड आफ्टर दैट, आफ्टर दोज डिडक्शंस रिलेटेड टू एनपीएस और इनकम टैक्स, योर इन हैंड सैलरी इज गोइंग टू बी रफली अराउंड 1 लाख टू 1,10,000 पर मंथ. ये होगी आपकी इनलैंड सैलरी. आई वुड से दिस इज अ गुड रिस्पेक्टेबल जॉब. एंड मेरा ये सजेशन रहेगा कि जो स्टूडेंट्स किसी भी रेगुलेटरी बॉडी के लिए प्रिपेयर करें, अगर आपको लगता है आप इस एग्जाम के लिए भी एलिजिबल हो, प्लीज़ गो फॉर इट. और इसकी एलिजिबिलिटी जाननी है तो कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, हमने ऑलरेडी वीडियो क्रिएट की है, मल्टीपल वीडियोज आर देयर, यू कैन गो थ्रू दैट और यू कैन रीड द नोटिफिकेशन ऑल्सो, वट एवर सूट्स यू, बट प्लीज लुक इन टू इट. नाउ आफ्टर दैट आई वुड से you will be getting different kinds of other perks and benefits also. For example, the leave fare concession, reimbursement for medical expenses, book grant, fine, the housing cleaning allowance. इस लिस्ट को पढ़ लेना, बिकॉज पूरी लिस्ट पढ़ने का तो फायदा नहीं है, बस इट इज जस्ट अ लिस्ट, इट इज जस्ट these are the different types of perks and benefits that you would be getting as a part of your, I would say, this IFSCA grade A position. Now moving to the next part which is regarding posting and transfer. अब यहाँ पर लेके स्टूडेंट्स के माइंड में कुछ होता है, ठीक है, कुछ कंफ्यूजन होती है. द थिंग इज दैट बेसिकली अ लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स कीप ऑन आस्किंग अस दैट वेयर यू आर गोइंग टू गेट पोस्टेड एंड आर देयर गोइंग टू बी रेगुलर ट्रांसफर्स और नॉट. सो बेसिकली व्हेन यू विल बी गेटिंग रिक्रूटेड, तो जो आपकी जो प्राइमरी वर्क डोमेन होगा वो होगा गिफ्ट सिटी में ही, विच इज इन गांधीनगर गुजरात. ठीक है, नो पोस्टिंग्स आउटसाइड विल बी देयर, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर अ बिगिनर. नो डाउट दैट later on of course you will be seeing few postings, but I would say in the first few years, as a part of your journey in this IFSC grade A, basically your posting will be in Gift City, Gujarat only. ठीक है. Apart from that, I would say there is no traditional transfer cycle also. जैसे बैंक्स में क्या होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रांसफर्स होती हैं. आप यूपीएससी जैसा एग्जाम क्लियर करोगे, ऑल इंडिया सर्विसेज में जाओगे, वहाँ पर भी फ्रीक्वेंट ट्रांसफर्स होती रहती है, बट यहाँ पर ट्रांसफर का स्कोप बहुत कम है. तो जो लोग ऐसे हैं जिनको अपनी लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा लोकेशन बेस्ड स्टेबिलिटी चाहिए, कि यार मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रांसफर नहीं चाहिए, ठीक है, मैं चाहता हूँ एक ही जगह पे रहूँ एंड मेरी फैमिली वहीं पे सेटल्ड हो, and that is where I would like to work, and in a good location. So this job of course is for you, but मुझे नहीं लगता कि इस पोस्टिंग को आपको एक बहुत बड़ा क्राइटेरिया लेके चलना चाहिए. ऑफ कोर्स वो पर्सन टू पर्सन, इंडिविजुअल टू इंडिविजुअल वेरी कर सकता है, बट आई वुड से दिस इज नॉट अ बैड डील. ठीक है. Apart from that, I would say there can be other type of possible movements. For example, internal department shifts can be there within IFSCA. एक डिपार्टमेंट से दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट में जाओगे, और साथ में डेपुटेशन भी होती है. ठीक है, कभी कभी आपको बहुत बार मौका मिलेगा कि आप IFSCA ग्रेड ए ऑफिसर हो, लेकिन आपको RBI में काम करने का मौका मिलेगा, आपको कभी IRDA में काम करने का मौका मिलेगा, क्योंकि ये सारे जो डोमेन्स हैं वो आपस में जुड़े हुए हैं. दे डील विद फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज ओनली, फाइन, एंड दे ऑपरेट एज अ पार्ट ऑफ, आई वुड से, दिस गिफ्ट सिटी. तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको मौका मिलेगा, सो दैट यू कैन enhance your skills, you can enhance your experience as a part of it, but depending on the need of the department, and the need, and of course based on your performance also, right? So these are the different type of things that you have to consider, and this is regarding the salary, this is regarding posting, transfer, and the job profile. So that is it from my end, and this is a good picture regarding, I would say, the gift city. तो ऐसा दिखता है, ठीक है, and I would say this can be one of those jobs that of course you would like to go for. It can be your dream job also, क्योंकि बहुत अच्छी जॉब है, और इसमें सबसे बड़ी बात है कि आपको एक्सपोजर बहुत अच्छा मिलेगा. जैसे देखो, RBI is for banks, ठीक है, for stock market we have SEBI. In a very similar manner for IFSC, which is International Financial Service Center, we have what? We have this IFSCA. तो ये उस लेवल की पोजीशन है, ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ आप कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर रहे हो. इट इज़ वेरी गुड, एंड इट इज़ अ वेरी रिस्पेक्टेबल जॉब, एंड ऑल्सो सॉर्ट ऑफ पर्क्स एंड बेनिफिट्स दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी शेयर्ड विद यू, राइट? नाउ बिफोर आई एंड द सेशन, let me also tell you that basically how EduTap can help you as a part of your preparation. So what you have to do, you just have to go to a website which is edutap.in, and over here you can go to the courses section. तो IFSCA grade A courses पे आप जा सकते हो, and you can see that basically we are offering डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कोर्सेज. सबसे पहले तो सिंगल कोर्सेज है, अगर आपको सिर्फ IFSC के लिए प्रिपेयर करना है तो उसके लिए सिंगल कोर्सेज है, फॉर विच द 71% ऑफ इज गोइंग ऑन अ वेबसाइट विच इज एंड विच कैन बी अवेल बाय यूजिंग दिस कूपन कोड IFSCA71. एंड आई वुड से देर इज़ फ्री स्टार्टर पैक ऑल्सो. अगर आपको मान लो डेमो देखना है कि यार ये कोर्स मुझे सूट कर रहा है नहीं, और डेमो कंटेंट कैसा है, इसका कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव है या नहीं, सो बेस्ड ऑन दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन टेक द डिसीजन. कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं करनी है, आप अच्छे से डिसीजन ले सकते हो एक बार अच्छी रिसर्च करके. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, मान लो आपने PFRDA का भी फॉर्म भरा है एंड यू वांट टू प्रिपेयर for IFSC alongside, so for that purpose you can go for this combo course also, of course, that can help you as a part of your preparation, and you can read rest of the details from the website. So that is going to suit you. For example, let us say if you are already prepared with phase 1, so you don't have to buy this gold course, you can just go for the silver course where we have content related to phase 2 only. So whatever suits you, you can read the details, you can scan the website, and based on that you can take the decision. And if you have any other query, any other question, please write it in the comment box. I would love to answer all of them. So thank you so much, and all the best for your examination.